Morning guys, it's Boxing Day. It was Christmas Day yesterday. We hardly did anything, to be honest, so I don't know if we will upload the video that we took because we did nothing. But today is Boxing Day and we're about to go and use the complimentary breakfast buffet that came with the apartment. This apartment is so nice and it's so handy. Honestly, they've got everything that a house would have. Obviously, it's an apartment, but seriously, it is so nice. But we spent, we got home from Siaosi's cousin's house last night at 3 or maybe 2:30, and that was so cool. That was so nice. Very good people. And we're going back out there again today. We didn't realize that every time you go past the toll roads that you have to pay $17 per way, unless you like book in advance. But the weekdays, they're pretty expensive, and I'm just like, what the hell? Why build the roads if you have to pay to use it? Gosh, so dumb. That's just my opinion, guys, so don't get at me about that. It's just my thinking, my opinion, my mind, okay? But we're gonna go have breakfast now.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Ask the guy. Excuse me. Where's the breakfast place?
So nearby the cafe cave, have you been there?
Oh yeah, is that it?
So with the hotel is with them. So if you want to go there, have a breakfast, you can even charge back to the room as well, and you can pay at the time of checkout. They do breakfast down as well. But if you walk on the Flinders Street, you will find so many cafes and around, and you can have the breakfast there as well.
Oh, I thought our room came with complimentary breakfast.
What's the room number? The room is just the room itself. Breakfast is not included.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
It's just the room.
Joke. So we thought that complimentary breakfast came with our room, but apparently not.
So Kygo.
We are so embarrassed. Lucky we asked, because we would have rocked up there, booked our food, and then been like, oh, isn't it free? So we're going back to 7-Eleven to buy some bacon and eggs like we did yesterday, and just fry it at home, because it's much cheaper. We need cheap right now.
We need cheaper.
Look how busy it is. Christmas Day was so dead, but I feel like it's picked up a lot. So we bought meringues yesterday, which we didn't eat because we had quite a bit of food. So we're just going to get some eggs and eat the meringues, and then probably drive out to Coles later on and get a few things now that we know breakfast is not included. Oh yeah, boy. These are free. I'm gonna take some. How noisy is this? Oh my god. So Siaosi?
So nice.
I feel like I go with you. Go camera. Ja? Ayo sangat vinge. Guys, we kind of upset we didn't get the free buffet breakfast, but it's alright. It's cool. I don't care. I don't care. So we went and bought that stuff again, which Siaosi's gonna cook. And I'm gonna edit our video, guys. I'm gonna edit our video, guys. No, yesterday's one. Today. And we were gonna go to Coles because we heard that there was a Coles in Southern Cross train station. It's a 10-minute drive and a 30-minute walk. And I am not down for a 30-minute walk this hour in the morning. I'm too tired and hungry. I might pass out. And he'll have to carry me back here. Honey. No, just kidding. But it wasn't worth it. I felt, let's just, instead of wasting like an hour trying to get there and back and then having to cook another hour. What you cooking, good looking?
Very cool.
This guy only cooks 2 things in the pan at a time.
No. Hi everyone, just finished cooking bacon and eggs for breakfast and
Mee goreng.
yeah, that's all.
And toast.
And toast. That's our breakfast. If you want to enjoy us, come. Bye.
We're off to the zoo now.
Yeah, we're going zoo now.
We're going to visit Siaosi's family.
After zoo, we're going to visit my auntie and...
No, we're going to visit your family at the zoo.
Oh, you mean your family on the zoo?
No, your family, honey.
Oh. We're going to visit my wife's family in the zoo.
One thing I realized about Melbourne, you'll never find a park for free. Until 5 PM, that is so good.
I'm here to the zoo now. We're going zoo to visit all animals with my lovely wife. Looks pretty. She are so full. To be honest, it's so full. Look, so many people coming. Oh, it's so full.
It's like the same bus we saw at Katoomba. So this is where we entered, and we want to see the tigers first. Oh no, we can go see the lemurs, gorillas, your brother, or your dad.
That's your sister.
Hippopotamus, mandrills. Alright, let's go that way. This is Siaosi's first time at a zoo, ever. Because they don't have zoos in Samoa. I asked him and I was like, oh wait, yeah, how could they even handle a zoo? Are you joking me? This is what they stay in?
Where's the gorilla?
How cute, it's sleeping. Gorilla probably tried to crack the window. What the hell? We paid $70 to come watch some animals sleep. Wake up! How funny would it be if they were all just stuffed animals? We've not found a live animal yet. That's like up and about. Oh my goodness, finally a live animal. Hello. How cute.
Kaya, get my.
Ramai di skala?
I'm not going to.
Siaosi wants to peg rocks at them so that they can give us a show.
Sometimes fur or feathers, all of that, they've got to get through all of that. So digestion can take a bit of time as well. Hence why we like to replicate that here at the zoo, and we give them 2 what we call
Fan, vi love vilka lilla ponnyer det
on days when we
är.
are feeding them.
These banana trees. Biwaka koyo ujamo. Siaosi walks straight past them. He does not want to remember that again. This one's giving himself a pedicure. They're not even reacting to these to us humans because they're so used to it. They're just used for money. And we supported it today. Huh? Hey guys, so we just had a little pit stop. We bought a bottle of water and some icy poles. And just a second ago I got some notifications saying that some people commented on one of our old vlogs. Basically, I wouldn't usually do this, but I feel like it's getting out of hand and they're crossing the line too far. They just write nasty things on like most of our videos, saying that Siaosi should come be with them and they're gonna steal him, and just really silly, stupid, immature stuff, saying that we're gonna get a divorce soon and really stupid things like that. And yeah, I wouldn't usually do this, but I feel like you need to be put in your place. I don't care what you say. I really don't. Like, it doesn't bother me at all. Maybe it bothers Siaosi because obviously I'm his wife and he doesn't want those things to be said about me. But I feel like I suspect who it is. I know who they are because they just keep changing profile photos with each other profile. They've all got different names, but I suspect it's either someone or people that know me, and if it's more than one person, then I believe they're sisters because they've done this to me before. But I want to just let you guys know, man, it's Christmas. Calm down. It's just too much. It's too overboard for them to just be doing it for real. I feel like it's an act.
Fake page. Don't do that.
We still love you and still what?
YouTube mà cái comment ấy, ông phải là làm việc ngoài YouTube. Nên mà cái Christmas mà New Year đấy là ở quê à, ngày xem qua ấy cái sao ấy phải đang làm việc ngoài YouTube. Bây giờ phải béo phải mang cái gì ấy no, thank you.
Call them. That's for you, Zaya. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. What sound does this animal say, Zaya? Look, Zaya, that's an orangutan. What sound does an orangutan make? It's a long leg and a long neck. What did it say? that sound? What sound does a koala say, Zaya? Doesn't say any sound, not Moya. I'm pretty sure they sleep like 20 to 23 hours a day, something like that. Lazy animals.
For 1 year, and then the father runs off on the chicks and meets up with the female again.
Look at these Australian animals, they're so fluffy and cute. Wombats. Siosi's trying to scare the animals. Yo maya ya monkey la kung ilo makapa kaya ilan. Como ilan meal. What the heck is that? He's responding. I can't remember what they're called, but it looks like it's Pumbaa. Pumbaa from Lion Kings. That's a lion, Zaya. What sound does a lion make? We just got back from the zoo, coming to get something to eat. So tired, vai. There are so many people in Melbourne. Honestly, the roads are just jam-packed. So packed.
So many people. Look. There are so many people.
Trying out a kebab place that's downstairs. And their mixes are so cool.
No, so build lamp. That's my.
This tastes so good. It's a real kebab. It's a mixed box.